with the Hare Krishna mantra? Okay.
प्रभु जी ठीक है?
Much better. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So everybody can chant one time. First is in my screen is Avya. Avya, can you chant, beta?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, beta. Yes, Hitashi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Very nice, Hitashi. Yes, Piyush. Piyush? Okay. So then Sanskriti and Nitya. Younger one first.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Thank you.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram,
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Nitya and Sanskriti. Alikhya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Thank you. Yes, Vishakha or Harshi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Yes, my angel, Harshi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Harshi. Okay, Paridhi, are you there? Please switch on your video.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Avyukta. Yes, my dear son. Avyukta. Okay. Avyukta. Are you there?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Yes. Yes. Avyukta, your voice was breaking. We could not hear you.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay. Okay. So, yes, Vanshika.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, beta. Please chant Hare Krishna mantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, thank you. And do we have Geet or Meda here? Okay, they have not joined yet. No problem. So let's have a quick recap of previous session. So what was the topic we had discussed previously, and who attended the quiz? Quiz कौन कौन किए? Okay, Vishaka has done. Hitashi has completed quiz, and Sanskriti and Nitya. Okay. Okay, Alekhya also has done. And my dear Harshi will do today only. She is very sincere. But this time she will do today. Okay, Vanshika also completed. Thank you.
प्रभु जी पर अभी तक कौन फर्स्ट है?
अभी तक कौन फर्स्ट है वो आप बताइए. I have not checked. Okay. Anyways, it's after class I'll let you know. After class we will check. Okay, so what was the topic previously we discussed? What was the topic? Yes.
प्रभु जी पर अभी दिखा नहीं रहा है क्योंकि क्विज अभी ओपन है.
हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. मैं मेरे को दिखा देगा. मैं देख के बता दूँ. Yes, Vishaka.
Prabhuji, the last section was about how do we control and tolerate things.
Yeah, thank you, Beda. Yes, Alekia, any point from previous session?
Prabhuji, we discussed about law of karma.
Okay, karma. Any point you remember? Previously we shared any pastime we had discussed from, yeah, any pastime we had discussed. Yes, yes, beta Nitya.
प्रभुजी हम संस्कृत
ठीक है बेटा, संस्कृति.
आपने एक स्टोरी बताया महाराज के पृथ्वी महाराज और इंद्रदेव
Yes, what was that story?
लॉ ऑफ कर्मा भी सिखाया.
Yeah, I had shared a story of Prithu Maharaj and Indra. And Prithu Maharaj was about to perform the 100 sacrifice. And at that time, Indra was coming and stealing the horse of the sacrifice. And then Brahma comes and asks Prithu not to do 100 sacrifice. And there was no mistake from her Prithu's side. So what was the lesson from that pastime?
Prabhuji, that good people not always have good, but they also suffer bad. But bad people also does not suffer only bad, but they get a chance to good मतलब उन लोग को good मिले.
Okay.
अच्छा.
And any other lesson from that pastime? Prithu Maharaj and Indra's pastime. One more lesson was there. Why Brahma chastised to Prithu? Yes, Vanshika.
Prabhuji, because Prathu Maharaj was bigger than Indra, and sometimes bigger people have to sacrifice, or they are enough mature to sacrifice.
Yeah. Prithu Maharaj mature. Yeah. He was not in age elder, but he was mature. Yes, that was a reason. In Brahmaji asked Prithu Maharaj not to do 100 sacrifice. But the result was he got the darshan of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, even without completing the 100 sacrifice, because Lord was pleased. Okay, one more question. So before doing anything, we should check, is it pleasing to, before I am doing anything, I should make sure, is it pleasing to others and God. Yes, God. And one more option we can say parents. Yes. So this is one thing which is important to notice. Sometimes when the patient goes to the doctor does operation, and sometimes doctor gives an injection. Some of you may not like the injection. So, but you may cry. You may not like it, but still doctor will give you injection. Why? Yes, Vanshika.
Prabhuji, because it is good for our health and it is good for us only.
So even if we do not like it, but still doctor does it because it is good for us. Okay. So it is not necessary that it is pleasing to everybody. Like teacher sometimes punishes a student. A student doesn't like it, but still teacher out of her duty or his duty does it because she knew that it is good for my students. Similarly, so when we are doing something, it may not be pleasing to everybody, but we need to check, is it pleasing to God and my parents? Yes, Avya. Yes, Avya. Yes, Alika, what he is saying?
Prabhuji, he wanted to say that the doctor puts injection because it is safe for us.
Yeah, it is safe for us. He knows it is safe for us, but we do not like it. But still he does it because he knows it is safe for us and it is good for us. So this is one thing. like somebody said, na, it should be pleasing to others, but we cannot please everybody. Yeah, but we need to try it. And but when there's a confusion, we need to see, is it pleasing to God? Is it pleasing to my parents? Then we should do it. Like if you are working in Indian Army, anybody here who wants to work in Army or Air Force or Navy? Okay, nobody.
Prabhuji,
Yes, yes, Anjali. So yeah, Meda, yes, Meda and Geet.
Prabhu, Pra- Prabhuji, actually, light fluctuated over here, so we couldn't attend the last 10 minutes. Can you tell what you did?
Yes, I'll share just quickly. So yes, before what I was saying, just let me complete this, just that part. Okay, so anybody here, nobody wants to work in Indian Army, Indian Air Force.
Prabhuji, actually, I want to like flight a plane or an helicopter. So if I could get a chance, then I will.
Okay, so if you get into the Air Force, you will surely get the chance to fly airplane. So now, if
प्रभुजी, पहले हमको पुलिसमैन बनना था,
अच्छा ठीक है. So अगर
वो
एक को
चोर पकड़ने वाला, ट्रैफिक वाला नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है, so let me ask you. So suppose if you are working in Indian Army, or yeah, if you are working in police, so your duty is to punish criminals or punish enemies, but they do not like it, but your duty is, so you will do it. So here's a point, that whenever we are doing, we need to check, is it pleasing to God or not? Is it pleasing to my parents or not? Is it according to scriptures or not? If is it according to scriptures and pleasing to God, then we can do it out of my duty. Yes. So far we have discussed. We started with the quick. बोलिए.
प्रभु जी जैसे कहते हैं कि किसी को मारना नहीं चाहिए बोलते हैं हिंदू स्क्रिप्चर्स में, पर जैसे जो सोल्जर होते हैं लाइक दे तो फाइट, उन लोग मारते भी हैं, तो फिर उन लोग गॉड को प्लीजिंग है या नहीं?
अच्छा.
और अदर्स को
ये question is very nice, very important question. This question is clear? Yeah, Hitashi, this question is clear to you? Or should I repeat?
Repeat, I didn't understand.
Okay. Her question is that the person who are working in Indian Army, Indian Air Force or Defense, they sometimes kill terrorist, they sometimes kill enemy. But is it good? Is it pleasing to God? How we will know?
Do meditation.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Nice attempt. So let me answer it. I'm just asking, do you know? Have you understood the question or not? But before that, let me just have a quick recap what I have discussed so far. So far we had a quick recap of previous session, and we were discussing that before doing anything we should check, is it pleasing to God or not? And I gave in some different examples that when we are doing, sometimes it is not pleasing to others, but we need to check, is it my duty or not? Like I gave the example of a patient and a doctor. When the patient goes to doctor, when a small child is there, and doctor out of his or her duty gives him medicine or gives him injection or makes some operation that children may not like, but it is good for him, so doctor does it. Similarly, when somebody works in Indian Army, Indian Defense or police, so they punish criminals, terrorists. So it is their duty and it is good. So how we need to check whether is it pleasing to God or not? Is it according to my duty or not? Is it according to scriptures or not? Is it according to sages or not? So now the question is, suppose somebody kills out of his duty, how we will know is it pleasing to God or not? Okay. So let me answer you. Yes, before answer, yes, Hitashi, बोलिए आप.
If a soldier kills, if a soldier kills by mistakenly, not the person who has to be killed, then what would the punishment will soldier get?
Okay, nice question. So let me answer first question first, then after your question. Thank you, Buddha. So suppose the person who is working in Indian Army, he is fighting with some other country, enemy country, or some fighting with some terrorist, and with lot of strength, a lot of courage, he is fighting, and he kills lot of enemies, and he gives a victory to country. Then country will give him awards, and country will appreciate. Or maybe the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will appreciate him. Okay. But the same soldier in the vacation goes to his village, and he is living in his village, and he had a fight with neighbors, and he takes out his gun and shoot a neighbor. So will the government will award him the same shooting?
No, Prabhuji.
No, Panuji. Yes, correct answer. Why? Why?
Because Prabhuji, because as he she जिसको भी उसने शूट किया
Yeah.
वो उसके कंट्री को ही बिलोंग करता है एंड हिज ड्यूटी इज टू मतलब फाइट विद द टेररिस्ट एंड द अदर like enemies.
Yes. Yes, any other answer? Open.
Can
Anybody?
you repeat the question?
Prabhuji,
Yes, Abhay.
हम लोग
बोलिए अभय.
वो गलत बात है क्योंकि वो उन लोग को उसको मारे, वो गलत बात है.
ओके. क्या क्या हाँ, दोबारा से बोलो बेटा, हम समझ नहीं पाए. एक बार दोबारा से आराम आराम से बोलो, आपका आवाज कट रहा था.
Prabhuji, he means to say कि वो अगर किसी को मारा है तो that is a गलत काम, मतलब वो काम गलत है. He means to say that.
लेकिन बेटा वो जब आर्मी में था, जब टेररिस्ट से फाइट कर रहा था, तब भी तो उसने मारा था, तब तो उसको अवार्ड दिया आपने, और यू हैव क्लैप्ड आल्सो फॉर हिम. Okay, you think. Yes, so Vishaka want to speak, Vanshika want to speak? Yes. Yes, Vanshika.
Prabhuji, because when he killed the enemy people of other countries, it was his duty and he was protecting everyone. But when he killed his neighbors, it was neither his duty and it was not good also because he was not protecting anyone. In just anger, he killed him, killed them. But as we say, we should not do anything in anger.
Yes, thank you, Buddha. Vishaka, do you have any other point? That is
Prabhuji, I have nearly the same point.
okay. Thank you, Buddha. So yeah, that is the point. So, does it answer Sanskriti your question?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Thank you. So second question Hitashi asked. What was your question, Hitashi Buddha? Please, can you ask again?
If the soldier kills a point by mistakenly kills a wrong person, then what will the punishment the soldier will get?
Okay. So if okay, let me ask you. See, there are two aspects. One is intention and one is action. And it depends what was his intention. Since you said it is by mistake, so surely he will get advantage of those things. And like somebody is working in your home and by mistake he or she breaks something. So it's a mistake. So you will give him or her the advantage of mistake or advantage of ignorance. But if it is intentional, then the punishment will be more severe, but he will get some punishment. So it's not clearly defined ki what will be the punishment, but generally we say ignorance is not an excuse also. Even if in out of ignorance we commit some mistake, we will get the reaction.
Okay.
Thank you, Beta. So here is the point. In the karma, we need to add this very much important aspect. First thing is we need to tolerate, and another thing, before doing anything, we need to check, is it pleasing to God or not? And yes, Geet, you had some question from previous session, Beta?
Prabhuji, Geet has doubts in the law of karma.
Okay. So I'll share one more story of law of karma that may help you to understand it better.
Prabhuji, her doubt in law of karma is that why does good thing happen with bad people and why does bad things happen with good people?
And you didn't help her to understand?
Prabhuji, I tried to, but she could not understand from me so nicely.
Okay, so I'll share one story. Let me share this story. And there's one important lesson, and I'll ask one question also from after this story. So please hear this story attentively. Geet, you also. So this is a story of one sadhu, and he went to his spiritual master. He went to his guru, and this sadhu had only one hand. Okay, so he went to his guru and he asked that why my hand got cut off, why it happened. So guru asked, why, you tell me. So he said, I went to a village, and in the night I was staying in one house, and when I was staying in that house, everybody thought that I killed the owner of that house, and all the village people came and they cut off my hand. So why this thing happened to me? I am a simple sadhu. I am living with the begging. I do not have anything. I don't have any money. I don't have any power. I don't have followers. I am living very simple, honest life. In the night, I was in a village, and while in the night I was staying there, the wife of a owner came to me, and she told me that my husband tortures me very much. Can you help me to run away from this place? So I said, I am a sadhu, I cannot do anything. What the people will say. So that lady kills her husband and calls all the village people. And all the village people thought that I killed that man. I tried to make them understand, but nobody could understand. Nobody is ready to listen to me. Everybody thought that I only had killed. And everybody thought that lady is innocent. I was shouting. I was telling that the lady is the person who is the culprit. But nobody was ready to listen to me.
Can you repeat that story?
Yes, I'll repeat. हर्षी, आपको क्या पूछना है?
प्रभु जी,
हाँ, 1 second.
वो जो ओनर की वाइफ थी,
हाँ,
वो इनोसेंट थी, तुम्हारा है?
हाँ, वो इनोसेंट नहीं थी, लेकिन उसको लोग समझे कि वो इनोसेंट है. She pretended to as a innocent. Yes, Paridhi. Yes. Paridhi, what is your question?
Prabhuji, can you please repeat the story in Hindi?
Yes, beta. I'll repeat that story again in Hindi. तो ये कहानी है एक साधु की. जो साधु बहुत ही सरल जीवन जीते थे. उनके पास कुछ पैसे नहीं थे, कोई उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स नहीं थे. एक दिन वो अपने गुरु के पास गए और गुरु से पूछते हैं कि मेरा हाथ क्यों कट गया, क्यों मेरा हाथ काटा गया. मैं तो कुछ पाप नहीं किया जीवन में, क्यों मेरा गांव वालों ने हाथ काट दिया? तो गुरु ने पूछा क्या हुआ था मुझे बताइए। तो बोले कि मैं एक गांव में गया और गांव में मुझे रात को लेट हो गया, तो फिर मैं वहां पर एक घर में रुका, और जब मैं उस घर में रुका हुआ था तो उस समय रात में जो घर की मालकिन थी, शी केम टू मी, और वो बोली कि मेरे हस्बैंड मुझे बहुत मारते हैं, आप मुझे यहाँ से बचा लीजिए। तो साधु बोला कि मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकता, अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगा तो समाज के लोग क्या करेंगे, लोग बोलेंगे कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया है, तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, ये आपका फैमिली का मैटर है, आप स्वयं सॉर्ट आउट करिए। तो फिर वो लेडी जाती है और अपने सोते हुए पति को मार देती है और चिल्लाने लगती है कि साधु ने मेरे पति को मार दिया, साधु ने मेरे पति को मार दिया। और सारे गाँव वालों आते हैं और देखते हैं कि साधु वहाँ पर खड़ा हुआ है, तो सबको लगता है कि साधु ने पति को मार दिया है, और सारे गांव वाले पंचायत बुलाते हैं और उसमें डिसाइड होता है कि मेरा हाथ काट दिया जाए, और सारे गांव वाले मिलकर मेरा हाथ काट देते हैं। मेरे क्या गलती थी, मैंने क्या गलत किया जो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ? तो एक सच अच्छा साधु था, लेकिन वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता है। तो अप टू दिस पॉइंट इज इट क्लियर? यस हर्षी, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
अगर वो जो उसकी वाइफ थी उसने गलती की है तो उसको पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए ना, साधु को पनिशमेंट क्यों मिल रही है?
हाँ बेटा, एक्चुअली में लोगों ने कुछ समझा नहीं। वो साधु वो लेडी बोली कि मैंने नहीं मारा, वो लेडी बोली कि इस साधु ने मेरे पति को मार दिया, और गांव वालों ने आउट ऑफ इग्नोरेंस, उनको समझ में नहीं आया, उनको लगा कि साधु ने मारा है, तो इसलिए उन्होंने साधु का हाथ काट दिया। तो ये पार्ट है, अप टू दिस इज क्लियर, देन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड। तो फिर वो अपने गुरु के पास जाते हैं और गुरु को पूछते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ। तो गुरु ध्यान करते हैं और बताते हैं कि आपको पता है, आज से 20 साल पहले जब आप ध्यान कर रहे थे एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठकर, तो आप जब ध्यान कर रहे थे तो वहां से गाय भाग के गई थी। बोले हाँ 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 हाँ। और फिर उसके पीछे एक कसाई आया था, और कसाई ने पूछा था कि तुमने क्या किसी गाय को देखा?
प्रभु जी, कसाई क्या होता है?
कसाई इज अ बutcher who kills an animal. Okay, so that person asked, आपने किसी गाय को देखा क्या? साधु सोचे कि अगर मैं इनको गाय को बताएंगे तो ये गाय को मार देंगे, और if I'll not tell then I get a sin of speaking lie. तो what should I do? तो साधु क्या करते हैं, अपना हाथ दिखाते हैं कि इस दिशा में वो गई है, तो अपने हाथ से दिखा देते कि गाय इस दिशा में गई है। तो कसाई जाते हैं और वहां से गाय को पकड़ लेते हैं, फिर गाय को मार देते हैं। तो साधु बोला हाँ गुरु महाराज ऐसा हुआ था। तो वो गुरु बोलते हैं कि इसीलिए तुमको पता है, तुमने अपना हाथ से वो दिखाया था कि गाय इस दिशा में गई है, इसलिए तुम्हारा हाथ काटा गया है। तो बोला ऐसा हुआ क्या? तो फिर बोला ठीक है, लेकिन वो उसका पति को क्यों मार दिया गया? तो वो बोलते हैं कि वो जो कसाई था वो इस जन्म में पति बना, जो गाय थी वो इस जन्म में पत्नी बनी, पिछले जन्म ने कसाई ने गाय को मारा था, इसलिए इस जन्म में जो गाय है, जो औरत बनी है, उसने अपने पति को मारा। इज इट क्लियर? इज इट नॉट क्लियर?
Yes, Prabhu, it's clear.
Okay. So, okay,
Prabhu,
last part.
it's clear.
Okay, last part. Just last part I'll repeat. Because the Kasai became a husband in this life. Okay? And cow became his wife. So, husband, wife. Previous life, Kasai and cow. Kasai had killed a cow. So, in this life, cow killed a Kasai. A cow became a wife and killed a Kasai in the form of husband.
प्रभु जी,
Yes.
जो आपने अभी बोला कि इसने इसको मार दिया, इसने इसको मार दिया, मुझे ये नहीं समझ आया।
हाँ ठीक है, मैं बताता हूँ बेटा। ओके, सो देखो बेटा, जो कसाई तो जो होते हैं, जो बूचर होते हैं, जो एनिमल को मारते हैं, तो पिछले जन्म में जो कसाई ने गाय को पकड़ा था और फिर कसाई को ने गाय को मार दिया, ये ठीक है। अभी देखिए, कसाई ने गाय को मारा तो उसका रिएक्शन मिलेगा ना। तो क्या हुआ, अगले जन्म में जो गाय थी वो एक औरत बन के जन्म ली और जो कसाई था वो एक आदमी बन के जन्म लिया। उन दोनों को विवाह होता है। पिछले जन्म में कसाई ने गाय को मारा था, इस जन्म में गाय जो कि पत्नी बनी थी उसने अपने पति को मारा। Does that make sense? Okay, thank you. Okay, yes, Hitashi, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how karma is so complex. Yes, Harshi, what is your question, beta?
जो उसकी वाइफ थी उसी ने मारा था तो उसको कोई पनिशमेंट नहीं मिला।
उसको पनिशमेंट उस समय नहीं मिला, बट श्योरली शी वुड गेट सम पनिशमेंट लेटर। ओके, एक्चुअली में दिस कर्मा जो है वो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स है बेटा। लेकिन प्रीवियसली कसाई ने गाय को मारा था, उस समय उसको कुछ रिएक्शन नहीं मिला, 20 साल बाद रिएक्शन मिला। सिमिलरली इसका भी कुछ रिएक्शन मिला होगा, बाद में मिला होगा। ठीक है
प्रभु जी मुझे दो और डाउट्स है।
यस, क्या डाउट है?
प्रभु जी, इसको वो आइसक्रीम वाली स्टोरी भी समझ नहीं आई थी जो आपने वो चेरी आइसक्रीम वाली स्टोरी बताई थी।
ओके, चेरी और आइसक्रीम वाली। ओके, हु कैन टेल दैट स्टोरी, दैट आइसक्रीम स्टोरी? Okay, Meda, you must have tried to make him understand. Let's hear from someone else also. Yes, who can tell that story of ice cream? There were 2 ice creams and 3 instances. Yes, who? Vanshika is ready. Vishaka is ready. Okay. Mishka, are you there? Mishka.
Yes, Prabhuji, I am there. I was just muted and I am switching on my camera in between.
Okay. बेटा, आपको याद है that story of ice cream? Of
क्या प्रभुजी?
आपको एक स्टोरी याद है जो हमने शेयर किया था आइसक्रीम का? There was a man, father and his son.
हाँ, और चेरी वाला ना?
हाँ, चेरी वाला। आपको याद है अच्छे से?
हाँ।
Okay, can you help Geet to understand? Yes, you switch on your video. Tell that story.
Yes, just a second, Prabhuji. I'm switching on. Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, so Mishka will tell. Please, Geet, hear properly, and everybody else also hear. If she misses anything, you can add. Okay. Okay. Yes.
So, Prabhuji, in that, once one father invited his son in to do a dinner with him. So that time they had their dinner. Then he bought some ice creams. In one ice cream there were 2 cherries on top, and the other ice cream it was 1 cherry. Then that time he said that I want the more cherry one. Then he took that. Then the father had to took that. Then he did not notice that how many cherries are there and how many are not in which one. He thought I have took many cherries. Okay. In the next day, then again the father invited him to the dinner, and again both of them they ate ice cream. Then that time one ice cream
Yes.
there were 3 cherries, and in one ice cream there was
Mishka,
1
Mishka. Mishka. Yes, Geeta, बोलिए.
Prabhuji, first day पे there was only 1 ice cream on the top and 1 cherry on the first ice cream, and there was no cherry on the top.
Actually, yes, Mishka, you missed the lesson from the first lesson. Okay, so let's give somebody else also chance. Okay. Okay.
क्या मैं lesson बोल दूँ क्या?
Okay, let's give this Medha chance. Let's give chance to Medha. Medha is very excited to tell. Okay, yes, Medha, please tell. Thank you, Mishka. Good try, beta.
प्रभु जी स्टार्ट से बोलूं?
Yes, beta. Start से बोलिए. So that Geet at least understand. Yes.
एक बार एक फादर ने अपने सन को डिनर पे इनवाइट करा first day. So he went and had dinner, and after the dinner, his father bought 2 ice creams. On the first ice cream, there was a cherry on the top, and on the second ice cream, there were no cherries.
Okay.
The son said that I want the cherry on the top one ice cream. So he took that, and the father took the other ice cream. But then his father took, the son saw that his father has 2 ice creams in his 2 cherries in his ice cream.
Yeah.
So he said that you should have. Then he said I should have taken that one.
Yeah. And what was the lesson he got? That our senses are not perfect.
Yeah.
There's something beyond our senses. That was the first lesson he got. Yes. Then what happened next day?
Then the next day, his father again invited him for dinner, and he went. They had dinner again, and then his father again bought ice cream.
Yeah.
This day there was there was a cherry. There were two cherries on a ice cream, and there was only one cherry in the top of another ice cream. Sorry, there was no cherry on the other ice cream. But then when he saw on the next day, again it was like his father had 3 cherries and he had only 2. So he again thought I should have took that one.
And what was the lesson in the second day? That our experiences are not perfect. We need to learn more always, something more. Yes.
And on the third day again they had dinner together, and then his father again bought ice cream. This day he acted smart and he said to his father that you only tell me that which ice cream has more cherries.
Yes. And because he knows, the father knows better than others. So what was the lesson in the third day? The concluding lesson, what we learned from this story? That our senses are not perfect. Our experiences are not perfect. We always need to learn more. And the best way to learn a knowledge is to get a knowledge from the perfect person who has a perfect knowledge. Yes, that was the lesson. Yes. So what is your question, Geet?
Prabhu ji.
Yes, beta.
प्रभु जी मुझे समझ में आ गई.
Okay, Jay, thank you, Meda. You make her understand. Yes, thank you. Yes, anybody want to add any other point from that story, in that story? Okay, thank you. So I'll share one more story. Yes, beta.
Prabhu ji,
Yes.
I have a question. प्रभु जी की जैसे आपने कहा कि वो जो बचर था वो काऊ को मारने के लिए रन किया था, और जब उसका रीबर्थ हुआ तो काऊ उसकी वाइफ बनी और काऊ ने उसका मर्डर किया, तो फिर अच्छा काऊ को भी उसको पे बैक करना पड़ेगा, उसके साथ भी वैसा ही होगा?
किसको? अच्छे काम को?
प्रभु जी मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे अगर हमने नित्या को पिंच किया और नित्या ने हमको पिंच किया, तो नित्या को वापस से जो हमको पिंच किया उसको वापस से पिंच मिलेगा एक और?
देखो बेटा, जो कर्मा होता है वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, बट इट शुड बी ऑलवेज वी गेट अ रिएक्शन ऑफ दोस कर्मा. अभी I do not know when it get nullified. Previously उसने किस को पिंच किया है मुझे थोड़ी ना पता है. ठीक है ना? अगर she in her account she has not pinched anybody, okay, and she makes a first pinch to you, then she is supposed to get one pinch, and which you gave her. So account is over. She will not get any other pinch. Is it clear? Okay. यस गीत, क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका?
प्रभु जी, मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरा कि कुछ लोग हियर करके समझते हैं, मतलब सुन के समझते हैं, और कुछ लोग, और ये भी मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
अच्छा ठीक है, आप बहुत अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. हाउ यू गेट सच नाइस क्वेश्चंस बेटा? यू आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. Okay, so her question is, there are different kind of people. Some people learn by seeing. Some people learn by experience. Some people learn by hearing, and some people even do not learn by seeing, hearing, and experiencing. So what is this? I could not understand. So who can explain this? I shared this story. I shared the example with the yes, anybody can explain this? I'll help you. You remember I shared that proverb that experience is the best teacher and fools have no other way to learn. Yes, and then I shared, I think Prabhupada shares, yes, Prabhupada shares, I don't know, I remember whether I shared or not. I'll share now.
I didn't understand that
Proverb. Hitashi, you are mute again. Unmute करिए. Yes.
experience is the best at one. I didn't understand.
ठीक है बेटा, मैं समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. थैंक यू. देखो गीत, आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा, देखो उसको भी नहीं आता था. थैंक यू, इट्स गुड टू आस्क समथिंग. लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दिस थिंग. Sometime in the childhood when we are student, we think if I'll ask question, people will think that I do not know. People feel that I'm not so intelligent. But asking a question is a sign of intelligence. So it is always good to ask question. ठीक है? See, Geet asked question and so many people also do not know. Thank you, Pata. So okay, so I'll share this thing. So okay, so suppose there is one thief and he steals and police catches him and police puts him in the bar and he get a punishment. He, after staying in prison house for few months, he comes out and he again steals. So he experienced that if I steal, I will get a punishment. He got the punishment also. He got those experience of punishment. Still he is again stealing. So he is a person who is not learning even after experiencing. Is it clear? Okay. There's one more example. Suppose there's a man who see on the road, then some people are beating one man. Then he asks, who is this? So they say he is a thief. He was stealing. He was a pickpocketer. So we are beating him. So he understood that the stealing is punishable. So if I steal, I'll get a punishment. So he doesn't steal. So he learned by seeing. Is it clear? Okay. That first example. So he went to school and the school teacher taught that we should not steal, we should not speak lie, we should always truthful. He heard from a teacher and he understood. So he learned by hearing. So these are three examples. Is these examples is clear?
No, Prabhuji.
Okay. So is it clear, Asha? Let me ask. Hitashi, is it clear too, beta? No. Okay.
No,
Arshi?
I didn't understand.
अच्छा, ठीक है, मैं हिंदी में बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ. तो एक बच्चा स्कूल में गया. स्कूल में टीचर ने बोला कि बेटा चोरी करना अच्छा नहीं है. तो बच्चा समझ गया. So in the whole life he never did any chori. So he learned by hearing from teacher. So he is a most intelligent guy. Is it up to this clear, beta?
Yes.
Okay. जैसे गीत की मामा बोले कि बेटा we should not argue we should not fight with sister. तो गीत अंडरस्टूड कि मम्मा बोलते हैं कि मुझे अपनी दीदी से फाइट नहीं करना चाहिए, तो गीत अंडरस्टूड एंड शी नेवर फॉट. ठीक है, क्लियर है, बिकॉज उन्होंने मम्मा ने बोला, उन्होंने मान लिया. तो शी इज मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट. ओके, द सेकेंड केस, देयर इज अ मैन who saw that people are beating a man. और एक व्यक्ति ने देखा कि बहुत सारे लोग एक व्यक्ति को मार रहे, तो उसने पूछा कि क्यों मार रहे, तो बोला कि चोर है, चोरी करके भाग रहा था. तो चोर को जब उसने देखा इतना मार रहे हैं, तो उसको समझ में आया कि चोरी करना गलत है, अगर चोरी करूंगा तो मुझको भी लोग मारेंगे. तो उसने he learned a lesson by seeing. Is it clear now? पहले ने सुन के सीख लिया, दूसरे ने देख के सीखा. अभी देखिए, जैसे कि हम घर में देखते हैं कि मम्मा बोलती है कि गैस के पास मत जाओ, गैस के पास मत जाओ, लेकिन हर्षी ने उसको सुन के समझ लिया, लेकिन हिताशी ने गया और उसको छुआ, हाथ जला, तो बोला ठीक है अभी नहीं जाऊंगा. अभी क्लियर हुआ दोनों चीजें? ठीक है, तो दो चीज हो गया, लर्निंग बाय हियरिंग, लर्निंग बाय सीइंग. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, अब मम्मा ने बोला कि पढ़ाई करना चाहिए, वी शुड स्टडी, वी शुड स्टडी, वी शुड नॉट. अच्छा, मम्मा ने बोला कि हमको रात में चॉकलेट नहीं खाना चाहिए. ठीक है, who will eat chocolates in the night? मैं सुना है कि हर्षी और हिताशी रात में चॉकलेट नहीं खाते हैं. अच्छा ठीक है, तो मैंने सुना कि मम्मा ने हाँ बोलिए.
घर पे चॉकलेट्स ही नहीं है.
Oh, your mama is very intelligent, very expert. So मैंने सुना कि जब ये हर्षी और हिताशी बहुत ही छोटे थे ना, तो फ्रिज में ऊपर चढ़ जाते थे आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए. तो somehow they get the ice creams from fridge. So yeah, chocolates. Okay, so let me complete. So मम्मा बोलती हैं कि चॉकलेट नहीं खाना चाहिए. अब देखिए, अभी तो she are not able to understand by hearing. So they thought कि नहीं, we will eat. तो उन्होंने चुप चुप के आइसक्रीम खाया, चॉकलेट खाया, एंड देयर टीथ स्टार्ट फॉलिंग. तो उनको समझ में आया कि दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर माय, बट स्टिल ईटिंग. सो दिस इज अ थर्ड. वो उनको सुना, उन्होंने देखा और फिर भी नहीं करा, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी सीखा नहीं. ये तीन तरीके हो गया. इज इट क्लियर नॉट गीत बेटा? ठीक है, मैं तीसरा एग्जाम्पल दोबारा से बताता हूँ. तीसरा एग्जाम्पल में, जैसे कि कोई बच्चा, कोई व्यक्ति ने चोरी करा, ठीक है, उसको पुलिस ने पकड़ के लेके गया और उसको जेल में डाल दिया. उसको समझ में आया कि मुझे चोरी करने से पुलिस पकड़ता है, मुझे पनिशमेंट मिलता है, लेकिन स्टिल ही कम्स आउट एंड स्टील्स अगेन. फिर से वो आते हैं, चोरी करते हैं. तो ये क्या हुआ, उसको देखा भी, सुना भी, और उसने अपने जीवन में अनुभव भी किया, लेकिन फिर भी चोरी कर रहे हैं. तो ये जो है वो फोर्थ कैटेगरी के लोग हैं, जो तब भी नहीं सीखते. यस पूरा.
प्रभु जी, मुझे इन तीनों स्टोरी से अभी तक समझ नहीं आया, आप कोई और एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं?
यस बेटा, किसका एग्जांपल दो बेटा? पहला वाला समझ में आया कि देख कर हमको समझ में आना चाहिए, देख के हमने सुना, नहीं सुन के सुना, बोला समझ में आया कि टीचर, जैसे मम्मा ने बोला कि आपको नहीं फाइट करना चाहिए, वो समझ में आया. ठीक है, पहला एक समझ में आ गया. दूसरा, हमने देख के सुना. देख के मतलब आपने, हाँ
प्रभु जी, आप इसको वो वाला एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं, वो स्मोकिंग वाला.
अच्छा, वो समझ जाएगी ये. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, you only give. Let's hear. You all try to help. Yes. We will hear. Everybody here. Yes, बोलो बेटा. अच्छा, क्लास तो स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक. Yes. Continue.
प्रभु जी, the first person heard someone that smoking is bad for health, and that person did not smoke.
Yes, he learned by hearing. Yes, perfect.
Then the second person, he saw it. He saw that someone, and he understood.
The second by seeing, he understood. Okay.
And third person, he heard it but did not understand, saw it but did not understand, but when he suffered, he understood.
Okay, he smoked and he got suffering. Then he understood. Yes, third category.
And the fourth person, he he the fourth person was he heard it, saw it, suffered it, but still did not understand.
Yes, perfect, beta. Very nicely you explained. Yes, Geet, is it clear now, beta?
No, Prabhuji.
So we will personally talk after the class. Okay, no problem, beta. We will help you understand. Let's continue our class. Okay. I don't know what will happen. I thought today we will play some game also, and I thought a new nice game. And I do not know whether we will be able to play today or not. That game was, I'll explain the game today, and next week we will play. Okay. This game is, you will do homework also. In this game, there are 2 persons will play. Okay. And there is a 2 teams can also play. And I'll give you the names of different names of Vishnu. They're like Govind, Gopal, Narsingh, माधव, मुकुंद, मुरारी, गिरिवरधारी, बहुत सारे नेम है भगवान के. तो एक को एक नाम बोलना है और इमीडिएटली दूसरे को दूसरा नाम बोलना है. फिर इसको नाम बोलना है, 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 इसको नाम बोलना है. और जहां पर कोई रुकेगा वो लूज करेगा. ठीक है. तो ये गेम हमको
Can we play today?
We will not play today because I'll give you the list of names of Vishnu this week, and you go through those names, and next week we'll play. Okay?
Prabhuji, we can repeat or we have to find new names of Vishnuji?
You can find any name of Vishnu can speak. From that list also and from others also. But when you speak, you do not need to open that list. Without seeing that list, you need to remember. Okay? ठीक है प्रभु जी आफ्टर क्लास बी अवेलेबल इन व्हाट्सएप आई हैव सम डाउट्स ओके ठीक है बेटा okay so I'll share one more story beta actually I need to tell many things today but somehow okay I'll share one more thing see when the Lord Ram he was asked to go exile for 14 years. I'll share very important lesson from there. You try to hear very important lesson is there. ठीक है everybody want to hear that Ramayan part? Okay.
Yes, Prabhu.
ठीक है बेटा तो मैं क्वेश्चन है आपको इसमें आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा ठीक है तो the day when Lord Ram was about to coronated everything was ready and that
What is the meaning of coronated?
Coronation means he is about to become king. He was
Okay.
he will be coronated means
राजा बन जाएगा.
राजा बन जाएगा yes ठीक है तो that day was a day of coronation and he was about to become king and the day before that the episode of Manthara and Kekai happened and when Kekai heard that Manthara and when Kekai was misguided by Manthara and then Manthara went Kekai got misguided and Kekai went to her palace and Dasharatha came and he asked those 2 boons. Okay. Then Dasharatha said, are you become mad? If you want to make Bharat king is fine. But why do you want to send Ram to exile? The exile is equal to just one step down to capital punishment. From one step down to the death. Why you are giving Ram such a punishment? What Ram has done wrong? So this Dasharatha asked, but Kekai became so hard-hearted at that time. She was not ready to listen anything. And Dasharatha was crying, weeping, and Dasharatha was begging to Kekai, kindly forgive. Kindly do not ask me this thing. I cannot give. But still, Kekai said, you are Raghuvir who always keep their words. You are saying Raghukul Reet Sada Chali Ai Pran Jai Vachan Na Jai. Where is your Raghukul Reet? You gave your words and now you are not ready to give. Why? And Dasharatha was not able to get up. He fainted and the next morning came. So Dashratha is in the palace of Kekai. And generally Dashratha used to get up very early morning and he used to worship Vishnu like that. But today Dashratha was not coming out from palace. Everybody was worried. Why Dashratha is not coming out? Everybody is thinking what happened. And today is such an auspicious day. Ram is going to become king. Why it is happening? So at that time, everybody outside was worried that Sumantra, the one of the minister of Dashratha, came into palace and he saw that Dashratha is lying on the floor and weeping. Yes, what is your question, Hitashi?
My question is nothing because Dashratha fainted because there was a person, he was taking out water to give taking out water in a pot one day. So Dashratha was an archer person in the older days. So he got a sound when we put the pot in. So he got a sound. So he thought it's a deer. So he urged him, and then the person got killed.
His name was Shravan Kumar.
Yeah.
Yes.
So he was taking water to his mother and father because they were blind.
Yes.
So then when he was not almost dead, he said that go and give this water to my mother and father.
Okay.
So the mother started crying that where is my kid? Where is my kid?
Yeah.
Then she gave her a श्राप दिया उसको कि when
First,
so that when you get something bad, you will be,
Yeah, in the last stage of your life, your son will not be with you.
Yeah.
Like we are suffering in the separation of our son, you will also die in the separation of your son. That was, yes, thank you, Buddha. So he fainted and he thought what to do, how I convince this Kekai. Then Sumantra came and the king was not able to speak anything. King was weeping and weeping. At that time, Sumantra asked Kekai what happened. And Kekai said that he want to meet Rama. So Sumantra goes to the palace of Ram and asks that Ram, king wants to meet you. Your father Dashratha wants to meet. Then Rama got ready and he went to the palace of Dashratha. And he was surprised to see that Dashratha, king, was lying on the floor, weeping. That Rama asked, what happened, my lord? What happened, my father? Then father was not replying anything. At that time, Kekai said that your father wants that you should go to exile for 14 years. And he wants that Bharata should be king. So you know what is the response of Ram? What was his reply to Kekai? Yes. Yes, Alika, do you know? Vanshika, do you know? Lord Ram's reply. Yes, Paridhi, do you know? Paridhi?
No, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, I watched this, but I forgot what did Ramji said.
Can I say?
Yes, beta. Actually, let Harshi speak. Harshi also raised her. Yes, Harshi, boliye.
He said, okay.
Okay, yes, thank you. Hitashi, what he said?
Was ready to go to the exile.
He was ready to go to exile, yes. So what is his reply? That is very interesting. Yes, Geet, boliye.
प्रभु जी आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बहुत धीमे आ रहा है
ओके बेटा थैंक यू आपने मुझे बताया मैं अपना आवाज बढ़ा देता हूँ इज इट बेटर नाउ
प्रभु जी
यस
मुझे अभी तक नहीं समझ आया. By hearing, seeing and listening,
यस बेटा, अब थोड़ा सा बड़े हो जाएंगे ना तो समझ में आएगा. अभी मैं हाँ. यस पीयूष बोलिए.
पर तब तक तो मेरे मन में ये सवाल रहेगा जब मैं बड़ी हो जाऊँ.
नहीं ठीक है, मैं कल को ही बताता हूँ आपको. आज क्लास होनी तो बेटा क्लास के बाद बताता हूँ. क्लास के नहीं, 1-2 दिन बाद बताता हूँ. ठीक है, ठीक है. चलिए, यस पीयूष बोलिए. पीयूष बोलो बेटा. Okay, let me reply. So Ram said, Ram, see the Lord Ram's reply, very interesting reply. Lord Ram replied that now I understood. I always loved you more than my mother. Lord Ram is saying to Kekai, I always loved you more than my mother, and I thought you also love me more than more than your own son. But I today understood that you do not love me. Then Kekai was getting ready to give him reply. So before that, Lord Ram said, if you would have loved me, you could have directly asked me. See, Ram is saying, if you would have loved me, you could have directly asked me. I would have happily would have left. Why you ask Maharaj, and Maharaj is asking? You could have asked me directly. And seeing this, Kikai's heart was even so hard, but still she was start melting. So see, the Lord Ram's such a wonderful reply he gives. He didn't say, oh, you do not love me, why you are doing so, you do not know how much I love you. But Lord Ram said that you could have asked me directly, and I, without any resentment, without any bad feeling, I would have left. This is how Lord Ram replied. And I'll share the next session all the replies. What Lord Ram says to Dashrath, what Lord Ram says to Kaushalya, what Lord Ram says to Mother Sita and to Lakshman. Very interesting replies he gives. Everybody was Dashratha was not able to speak anything. And how he consoled Dashratha. And this Kekai, Kaushalya said, I'll go with you. That co-wife is always tortured me and she will torture more. I don't want to stay. That how Lord Ram convinced her. All the ministers were, and what was his reply to ministers? What was his replies to citizen? Very interesting. You will learn a lot of lessons from there. So next time we will share that. And in this week, I'll share the names of the different names of Vishnu. And next week we will play that game also. So homework for this week, the names I'll give you, you need to remember those names. So when you will play game, you cannot open that sheet. Okay? ठीक है बेटा. गीत, is it clear to you? हम आपको बहुत सारे विष्णु के नाम देंगे और आपको वो याद करना है. और जब आप गेम खेलेंगे तो वो शीट नहीं देख सकते. यस वंशिका, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
प्रभु जी, जैसे मैंने विष्णु जी का कोई नाम बोला तो मैं अपनी दूसरे चांस पे उसे रिपीट कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ, रिपीट नहीं करना. रिपीट करना अलाउड नहीं है. नो रिपीटेशन. अभी नहीं तो आप तो हमेशा गोविंद 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 ही बोलेंगे तो कैसे होगा? नो रिपीटेशन. रिपीटेशन होएगा तो फिर हम लूज करेंगे. ठीक है? Any name you can speak, but without repetition.
फिर ऐसे क्या?
ऐसे
कह सकते हैं कि एक बार गोविंद, फिर दूसरा नाम, फिर वापस गोविंद, फिर दूसरा नाम, फिर एक बार गोविंद, फिर वापस दूसरा नाम.
नहीं, no, all our new names will be there. Like you say one name of Vishnu. Okay,
गोविंद.
मैंने कहा गोपाल. Now you say another name.
अब मैं वापस बोलूंगी गोविंद.
नहीं बेटा, अलग अलग नाम बोलना है. मैं आपको लिस्ट दूंगा. जैसे कि आप बोल सकते हैं माधव, then I say Murari, then you say Girivardhari, then I say Hari, then you say Hiranyakashipu. Sorry. Then you can say Narsingha, then I can say Vamana, then you can Matsya, like I can say Balram, then you can say different names. Kamal Lochan.
हमको जो सपोज हम लोग ने गोविंद बोला तो हमको डी से कोई नाम बोलना होगा.
एक्चुअली में वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा बेटा. एनी नेम यू कैन से बेटा. ठीक है? जनरली वो जो हम खेलते हैं ना अंताक्षरी में तो वैसे खेलते हैं, लेकिन बेटा आप अभी छोटे हैं और मेरे पास भी इतने सारे नेम नहीं है अभी। ठीक है, थैंक यू बेटा। यस हिताशी।
तो फिर ऐसे कह सकते हैं क्या? फिर अब मैं बोलूं गोविंद, फिर आप बोलो गोपाल, फिर मैं कोई दूसरा नाम बोलूं।
यस, आप बोलेंगे माधव,
कृष्णा, फिर आप बोले बलराम,
बलराम,
फिर मैं वापस बोली गोविंद, ये ठीक है?
नहीं, नो रिपीट बेटा, नो रिपीट।
और कितना हार्ड।
मैं I'll give you lot of names बेटा, ठीक है? चलिए बेटा, thank you for today's active participation. Or tomorrow, next time we will share this Ramayana, that Lord Ram's responses, very beautiful responses he gives. ठीक है? What lot of lessons, how should we deal with others? ठीक है? If you learn this dealing ना, your life will be such a wonderful. Okay? Yes, Srila Prabhupada की। Thank you Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा चाचा, हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, थैंक यू सो मच।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु।
यस गीत, बोलिए गीत।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा
प्रभु जी, मैं अभी तक नहीं समझ पाई, आप क्या अभी सब लीव करते तब आप समझा सकते हैं?
यस बेटा, मैं समझा देता हूँ, ठीक है? Okay. So I'll share one more time. जैसे कि को एक और एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं। हाँ, प्रभुपाद जी एग्जाम्पल देते हैं ये। तो प्रभुपाद जी के जो बेटे थे, छोटे बेटे थे, वो पंखे को छूना चाहते थे, पंखे को छूना चाहते थे। वो देख रहे थे क्या घूम रहा है, क्या घूम रहा है। There's a table fan was there and he want to touch it. So his father said, no, you do not do it. But still he was very much eager to touch it. So he was not able to understand by hearing. Is it clear? That there's a table fan and Prabhupada's son want to touch it. Then Prabhupada said, no, do not do it. If you will do it, you will got hurt. But he is not ready to understand because he is a child. They still want to touch it. So he was not ready to learn by hearing. Is it clear?
No, Prabhuji.
अच्छा बेटा, ठीक है. You are testing me. What you could not understand, beta?
एक्सक्यूज मी प्रभु जी।
Yes, माता जी।
प्रभु जी, मेरे को लगता है आप इसको अगर इसकी मम्मी का कॉन्टेक्स्ट लेके समझाते तो शायद ये समझ जाएगी।
अच्छा, ठीक है। तो मान लीजिए आपका मम्मी बोलती है कि किचन में नहीं जाने का, आप बोलते नहीं मम्मा मुझको भी कुकिंग करने का है। नहीं, आपकी मम्मा बोलती नहीं तुम छोटे हो अभी कुकिंग नहीं कर सकते, और आप बोलते नहीं हमको भी कुकिंग करना है। तो यू आर नॉट रेडी टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय हियरिंग। इज इट क्लियर? ऐसा होता है क्या कभी कभी?
No.
ऐसा नहीं होता है कभी, बट आपको समझ में आया क्या? होता है क्या? नहीं, ठीक है। चलो बेटा, वी विल डिस्कस अगेन लेटर। ठीक है, वी विल फिनिश इट नाउ एंड वी विल अगेन डिस्कस। ओके, एज ऑफ नाउ वी विल स्टॉप इट, वी विल डिस्कस अगेन। ठीक है? ओके, सॉरी बेटा। हरि बोल। मे द हेल्प हर टू अंडरस्टैंड। ठीक है, वी विल अगेन कट। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा। आप क्विज कर लीजिएगा जिसने क्विज नहीं किया है। ठीक है? हरि बोल।
प्रभु जी, क्या आज इस क्लास से रिलेटेड आप एक दूसरा क्विज भेजेंगे?
आज की क्लास से रिलेटेड कुछ दूसरा क्विज भेजेंगे? आज डिस्कस क्या करा हमने, बनाना पड़ेगा बेटा। कोशिश करेंगे बना देंगे, कुछ तो थोड़ा बना देंगे। ठीक है? आपको अच्छा लगता है क्विज?
हाँ, हम